and we will follow the GI tract. All right? And then the glands. Okay, maybe, accessory structures and then GI tract. All right? So you need to identify 3 different types of papilla. Papilla is plural papillae. Papillae are the elevations of the mucous membrane of the tongue. Okay? There are 3 kinds: fungiform, filiform, and valate or circumvallate. Some papillae are associated with taste buds. Okay? Now, filiform and fungiform papillae, they have the mucous membrane, the epithelium is keratinized, stratified squamous epithelium. So here we go. Look at all these structures. Very well. There you go. These are elevations, isn't it? Can you see this slough of cells of epithelium? These are keratinized, these are dead cells. Yeah? That's why the tongue surface is rough. Okay? And there is usefulness of roughness, because if it was very smooth, it would be difficult to tackle food. Do you get that? All right. And look at that. From here to here, the keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. And these are the papillae. All right. Next, let's go to another kind. Look at this. These are slender, pointed, and also the epithelium. This part keratinized, pointed, pointed, pointed. We don't see any taste buds associated with them. Okay? So if I ask you to identify the structure as indicated with a pointer, a filiform papilla, okay? Maybe, in the word bank, you will find filiform, fungiform, circumvallate papillae in plural. But if you are asked to identify one such, do not write papillae, papillae plural. Do you get that? You have to write a filiform papilla or a fungiform papilla or a circumvallate or valate papilla. Do you get that? Okay. Let's go to valate or circumvallate. Circumvallate papilla epithelium, the epithelium or the mucous membrane upon circumvallate papillae, non-keratinized, stratified squamous epithelium. The whole thing is a papilla. This is one papilla. You can see the groove here. Along the border here, these are the taste buds. But they are obscure. If I magnify further, you should be able to see a little better. Here you go. These are test buds. These are test buds. Now, by looking at this slide, you already know that this is tongue, isn't it? Because of the test buds. And look at these glands here. Can you see the glands? These are lingual glands. Okay? Even look at the lingual glands, there are plenty. The lingual glands secrete lingual lipase. And there are some mucous acini that secrete mucus. But majority secrete lingual lipase. What does it do? Initiates digestion of fat in the mouth cavity. Look at that. That is mixed with saliva. So if I ask you identify the gland as indicated, what is that? Lingual gland. Or gland von Ebner. Okay? Or von Ebner's gland. Yes?
And the taste buds are associated with
The circumvallate, yeah. Mostly circumvallate. Most of the time circumvallate fat.